Sometimes we have two interdependent worksheets. For example, we may have a market rates sheet and then another sheet, say revenue, that uses the market rates in calculations. The market rate changes impact the revenue data. So, whenever we refresh the transactions sheet, we want to refresh the market rates sheet too. This makes the market rates sheet dependent on the refresh of the revenue sheet. The dependent cuboid functionality only works when we are refreshing data cuboids and is used to trigger the refresh of other cuboids that the cuboid being refreshed uses the values from. Let's configure the dependent cuboid for the transaction sheet. With the transaction sheet as the current sheet, click on Advanced and select Set Dependent Cuboid, followed by Set for Refresh. A form to set the dependent cuboid opens. Notice the transaction cuboid is not in the cuboid list shown, and that is because it is the cuboid for which the dependent cuboid is being set up. Select the drop-down list cuboid and then click on Add to Dependent Cuboid List. Click on Save to save the configuration, and then Cancel to exit the form. To test the functionality, click on Actions followed by Refresh. The drop-down list cuboid refreshes first, followed by the refresh of the transactions cuboid. The dependent cuboid functionality can also be used to preserve data integrity of the workbook too, by configuring all the cuboids that are interlinked to be part of the configuration. Next, we will focus on configuring Submit All, Refresh All, and Download All.